What's going on, my beautiful people? Hope you're having a great day. Want to go down here real quick and kind of rant for a little bit, a very short little bit, because I'm starting to get really frustrated with people, and I'm going to use people that are out of shape and are overweight as an example. People, you didn't get like that overnight. For some of you, gaining the weight that you're currently in took a long time. So I don't understand, or I'm having a hard time grasping why, if it took you a long time to get you where you are today, what makes you think that to get out of that, to lose weight, to get in shape, and what makes you think that it's going to be easy? People, it is not going to happen fast. Especially if you are truly out of shape, because it's going to take you a while to get into shape. If you are truly carbohydrate dependent, it's going to take you a long time to get off that. And to drop the weight and to do so in a safe manner should be done gradually, and it should take a while. So suck it up. Stop freaking crying. Stop looking for excuses to stop and keep marching. Be persistent. Keep working hard. All right? Love you, and I'll see you in the next one.